Welcome to Tech Tips. Today we'll show you how to create an interactive journal so you can update content in real time in Google Slides.
The first thing you're going to do is create a slideshow. You're going to go to New, Google Slides, and open a blank presentation. I have that right here. You want to name this whatever your title is, and you want to make sure you include that it's your teacher copy. Next thing I would do is I would recommend that you set this up to be a piece of paper. I like the way that looks for the students as it is a journal. So you go to File, scroll down to Page Setup, and you go to Custom 8.5 by 11 and apply. So you have your piece of paper, looks like this. If you want to have it larger, I like it to be a little bigger, you can click the zoom and just click like this, or you could use the drop down and go to 100%. For now, we'll keep it at 50 for viewing purposes. The next thing I want to do is I want to create multiple blank slides. You want to think about the book or your use for this, and you want to create as many or even more than you think the students will possibly need during this unit. So you just hit this plus button and continue to create multiple slides. Okay, so your next step is you want to create your student copy. And I've gone ahead and created a new slideshow. I used the same file, Page Setup, and made my Page Setup custom, so it's a piece of paper, and I am ready to go with my student copy. I've named it, same name, and I made sure that it's indicating it's the student copy. So now I want to go back over to my teacher slideshow, and here's where it gets really cool. You're going to go to slide 1, use your shift and go all the way down to the bottom slide, whatever you've done. I made 20, and highlight all of those slides. And then you want to copy them. You can right click and copy or use the Command C, whatever works for you. Go into your student copy right here, and I'm going to click right below the first slide, and I'm going to paste those slides in, all of them. It'll take a minute for it to think. This is most important. When you get this button, you want to say link and keep original styles. We're now linking the two slideshows. I know that I have linked my slideshows. I have this little link here. So as I go up, I'm going to go to very top, and I'm going to delete slide 1 because that is not linked. That was just to hold my place. And here is my journal. Now this is my student copy, and you can see it looks exactly like my teacher copy. So this is the only sort of bulky part of this process. You need to share your journal with your students. It can be view only, and they're never going to open it. This is before they get their own copy. And this is just to assure that when they open their copy in Google Classroom, that they will receive the updates. So here you're just going to go to share, and you're going to type in, I've already typed in student test account. You're going to give them viewing and send it. Again, they will never have to open this, but now your slideshows are linked, and that's really important. So each student will need a copy of this journal. I've chosen to use Google Classroom to share this. So I'm going to go into classwork, create an assignment. I've created my assignment. I'm going to add from Google Drive. Under recent, I'm going to see my journal. Here it is. I'm just going to make sure that this is the student copy I need to assign. Click insert. I'm going to change this here to make a copy for each student, and I'm going to plop this under the Lightning Thief. And then click assign. Okay, so now I'm assigned my journal and I'm doing my teaching, and we have our book group meeting, our book club, and we've done our pre-reading and done some reading, and we're ready to have the students reflect on another thought or topic. So what I'm going to do is I'm in the teacher copy here, and I'm going to add the reflection. So this reflection, I'm having the students make a connection with Percy. So I've added my question with some thinking. Now I'm going to go over to the student view. So here I am. This is my student view. I'm going to open up my assignment here, and I am going to grab my journal. I'm going to open my work right here. And I had updated slide 3. So here I am. I'm going to go to slide 3. And this update bin shows up. So I click update, and my question is pushed out to the students. Each time you make an update, you can update on your slide, and the students will receive the update.